Chocolate spreads are marketed as happiness in a jar. Smiling kids, perfect toast, a spoon dipped straight into creamy brown heaven. But the truth is much darker. Behind the glossy labels and family-friendly ads,
Just me and you for a moment. Hershey Spreads, a delicious mix of real almonds and an amazing chocolatey taste. Dip the moment in Hershey's.
many of these spreads are nutritional disasters, not just unhealthy. I'm talking sugar overload, inflammatory oils, addictive flavor engineering, and ingredients you'd never willingly eat on their own. Today, we're breaking down 6 chocolate spreads you should avoid at all costs if you care even slightly about your health, your kids, or your long-term energy. Let's begin. 1. Nutella. Let's just get this out of the way. Yes, Nutella tastes amazing. Yes, it's iconic. Yes, it's on like every influencer's breakfast table. But Nutella is one of the biggest food marketing scams of all time. Here's what they don't tell you. Over 57% of Nutella is pure sugar. Not cocoa, not hazelnuts. Sugar. And the second biggest ingredient? Palm oil. Palm oil is cheap, heavily processed, and linked to multiple health concerns when consumed regularly. It's not just empty calories, it's inflammatory and unnecessary. On top of that, Nutella contains barely enough cocoa to justify calling it a chocolate spread. You're basically eating sweetened, flavored oil. It spikes blood sugar, it crashes energy, and it trains your brain to crave more. Yet it's marketed as a breakfast food. Think about that for a second. 2. Hershey's chocolate spread. Hershey's might be a legend in American candy, but their chocolate spread? Different story. This one is loaded with high fructose corn syrup, which is one of the most controversial sweeteners in the modern food industry. Why? Because HFCS bypasses your body's natural hunger signals. It doesn't make you feel full. Instead, it encourages overeating while flooding your liver with sugar. And that rich chocolate taste. Mostly artificial. Chocolate spreads are marketed as happiness in a jar. 4. Betty Crocker chocolate spread. Betty Crocker has the reputation of homemade warmth and baking magic. But this spread, more like industrial dessert paste. It's loaded with corn syrup, artificial thickening agents, low-quality cocoa, modified starches, cheap vegetable oils. This spread is designed to look and taste like frosting, but without the honesty of actually being frosting. The worst part? It gives the illusion of being okay for breakfast, just because it spreads smoothly on toast. But nutritionally, you might as well eat cake icing every morning. And over time, your insulin system pays the price. Five. Cadbury chocolate spread. Cadbury is known for rich, creamy chocolate bars. So you'd expect the same from their spread, right? Wrong. Most Cadbury spreads contain more sugar than real cocoa content, plus oils and stabilizers to keep that smooth supermarket texture. The flavor might resemble their bars, but the nutrition is closer to melted candy mixed with oil. No real fiber, no real nutrients, just sugar and fat engineered to hit your dopamine system. And once you're hooked on that sweetness level, normal chocolate starts tasting bland. That's how ultra-processed food changes your taste forever. 6. Great Value chocolate spread, Walmart brand. Now this one is a silent killer. It's cheap, it's everywhere, and it's usually bought as a budget alternative. But when companies lower the price, they don't reduce profit. They reduce ingredient quality. This spread often contains extra refined sugars, low-grade vegetable oils, artificial flavors, preservatives that exist only for shelf stability. It's designed for maximum profit and maximum addiction, not your health. For families buying in bulk, this becomes a daily habit. And daily habits are what shape bodies. Why these spreads are so dangerous. The problem isn't just calories. It's how they reprogram your brain and metabolism. Most chocolate spreads are engineered with a perfect mix of sugar plus fat plus texture to trigger pleasure centers in your brain. That's not accidental. It's food science. And once you're used to that level of sweetness and creaminess, whole foods start feeling boring. Fruit tastes bland. Real peanut butter feels dry. Dark chocolate feels bitter. And that's where the cycle begins. You go back for more. Because your brain is hooked. Then come the consequences. Constant energy crashes. Increased cravings. Weight gain. Higher blood sugar levels. Mood swings. Long-term metabolic issues. All from just a spread. The illusion of moderation. Some people say, it's fine in moderation. But here's the truth. These products are designed to destroy moderation. They don't want you to take a small amount. They want you to finish the jar. The spoon is designed to scoop perfectly. The texture is designed to glide smoothly. The sweetness is calibrated to make you come back tomorrow. It's not just food. It's a psychological product. Better alternatives, briefly. If you still want a chocolate spread experience without wrecking your health, look for real cocoa content listed first. Minimal ingredients. No palm oil or hydrogenated oils. No high fructose corn syrup. Less than 10 g sugar per serving. Or just make your own using cocoa powder, honey, and real nut butter. At least then, you know what you're eating. Final reality check. Chocolate spreads aren't evil. But the way they're manufactured today? Completely distorted. They're not made for nourishment. 4. Betty Crocker Chocolate Spread. Betty Crocker has the reputation of homemade warmth and baking magic. But this spread? More like industrial dessert paste. It's loaded with corn syrup, artificial thickening.
Just me and you for a moment. Hershey Spreads, a delicious mix of real almonds and an amazing chocolatey taste. Dip the moment in Hershey's.